Hello friends, in this series I have discussed the various types of research, and this is the last video of the series and it is a little bit long. In this we'll discuss the various types and compare them. The first one was the descriptive research, which describes the characteristics. It involves qualitative as well as quantitative data, and example is survey on consumer habits. Then we have analytical research, which is a critical evaluation. Then we have it involves largely quantitative data. Then applied research, which can involve both type of data and solves a immediate problem. Fundamental research, which helps in expanding our knowledge, and it involves both quantitative and qualitative data. Then we have quantitative research, which performs a numerical analysis. Then qualitative, which explores experiences. Then we have exploratory, which explores the new areas, and explanatory research, which is for explaining the cause behind an event. I hope this series is useful to you. I have many more videos related to research and innovation. I hope you will find them useful. Thank you very much.